Welcome. Today in front of me ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery in this device. So first we should go to the Photos app, and here for example we wanna just lock these 3 photos. So just you have to select these photos and just here tap to the to the 3 dots, and here just tap to the move to the locked folder. Here, as can you see, we have to set up our locked folder. Now just if you got the pattern or password, you have to just okay, here just tap to continue. Now just tap here to the move, and as can you see, we are moving our photos to our locked folder. And as can you see right now, we photos there again. And here if you'll just tap to your library, you can see these photos. So now just if you'll here tap to the utilities, and now you can see here in the organize your library section the locked folder. Just tap there, and here just configure with your pattern or with your password, and here you can see our locked photos. And if you want to just remove these photos from your locked folder, select the photos. Okay, you can select the photos and you can move there to your regular album to your all photos, or also you can delete them by this way, and then just confirm. Okay, we'll just move these photos to your regular folder. And as can you see, we got here our 3 photos from the locked folder. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.